but it can turn into a nightmare because these things are quite fattening actually. Hello and welcome to The Foodie. This episode is dedicated to eating a lot of sweets, eating desserts, but not putting on weight. And how? Well, this is a sugar-free episode. I'm standing in Basilico, in Colaba, in Mumbai, and look at these gorgeous desserts. So let me tell you that the upper deck over here, okay, all the desserts on the top are all sugar-free chocolates, desserts that I can eat. This one, particularly here, is a sugar-free gooey chocolate. This is a sugar-free baked blueberry cheesecake. Sugar-free pecan nut pie, sounds delicious. That's the one I'm going to try. Got a chocolate hazelnut torte, sugar-free. And look at these lovely sugar-free melting chocolate mousse cakes. Yes. Now, the key, this is what Abdul was telling me, the key to making this stuff is that they use something called malchok.
Malchok, it's sugar-free chocolate.
Malchok.
Yes, sir.
Malchok is sugar-free chocolate, okay? And so it's, you get dark chocolate and white chocolate.
And milk also.
And milk chocolate also. I want to taste this sugar-free pecan nut pie. Can I?
Yes.
Let's try it, no? Let's see if it's very good. It's nice. Between you and me, I can't make out the difference. It is wonderful, whether it's got sugar or not sugar. Yes. Where? We got lots more coming up on the sugar-free episode, okay? Okay, still in the pursuit of sugar-free food, and with me is Dr. Neeti Desai. And she's a dietitian. She's the kind of person that I need desperately to bring some health into my life. Yeah? And she's going to show us some more interesting stuff that can be made out of sugar-free stuff. Tell me, when you say sugar-free, obviously the stuff that we make is sweet. It's not like it's not sweet. So what are the various alternatives that one uses for sugar?
Yes, there are two ways of thinking about it. One is just use the artificial sweeteners, of which a few are safe, others are not so very safe.
What is safe? Which are the ones that
the new molecule in the market, which is called sucralose, is safe, which is of course sold under many brand names. That's the name of the molecule.
So now before I ask you what we're going to do today, do I look healthy or do I look unhealthy? She's not going to answer that question. She's not going to answer that question. What's the plan today?
We're going to try making two dishes today.
Okay.
One is of course a fruit smoothie. We're going to make a strawberry smoothie.
Okay.
And then we move on to an Indian sweet like fig and date barfi.
Oh, barfi?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. So shall we start with the smoothie?
Yes, sure. To start with the smoothie, of course, we need the curd.
Okay.
Now, this could be, there are two ways of having it. Either you have a full-fat curd, okay, or you have skim milk curd, which makes it even more healthy.
Even healthier.
Yes.
Okay.
So here we are using skim milk curd. We're going to take this curd and basically tie it in a muslin cloth, so that all the water kind of the way comes out and we get nice thick curd.
So you basically what you do is you take a muslin cloth like this, and you pour the curd in,
tie it up
and hang it.
Yes.
Okay. And this is what you get?
Yes. So we get the hung curd,
okay,
which is kind of nice and thick, minus the water.
How long do you hang it? Overnight?
Yes, overnight. Of course, we do it even in 4 to 5 hours.
Okay.
Yeah. The next ingredient, of course, are the strawberries, which are cleaned and chopped. We put them in the mixer along with 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey.
Honey.
That's the natural sweetener. And the orange
peel.
Yes.
Orange peel.
Yes. Yeah. Which gives it a very nice kind of tangy flavor.
So you just scrape the rind of the orange.
Yes, that's right. So these 3 ingredients go in the mixer.
And this is what you get.
And this is what we get. Okay. To this, I'm going to add just a pinch of cinnamon powder. And now to make this more kind of thick, what I'm going to add is 1 teaspoon of skimmed milk powder.
So this is like a power shake, really.
Yes, this is low in calorie, high in protein and zero fat.
Excellent.
Okay. Sugar content, as I said, it's just the 1/2 or 1 teaspoon of honey.
Honey. And honey is not, is it fattening, is it not fattening? What is it?
See, honey has absolutely no fat, but of course it has the calories. Now, compared to sugar, it has 400 grams, 100 calories less.
Okay. So it is healthier.
Yes, it is definitely healthier. Also, because it is unrefined, it has some amount of vitamins and minerals left.
Remaining inside.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's not like empty calories as our white sugar is, which is just plain calories, nothing else.
Calories.
This is what we get. We put it in a bowl, refrigerate it for a couple of hours, and it's just there ready to be
It
eaten.
looks delicious. One little cherry on, strawberry on top.
Yes.
Wonderful. Very nice. Very nice, yeah. You know what I like about it? One, it's not too sweet. And three is that, I don't know what gives it this feeling, but it's just got a sense of being healthy.
Yes.
Well, it doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't sit in your chest or your stomach.
Right.
It's really nice. I just want to ask you one more thing. In this particular thing, we used honey as a sugar substitute or a sweet substitute or whatever. What are the other various things we could use instead of sugar in our sort of normal?
Yes. We've got a few sweeteners, natural sweeteners
these?
here. Yes. This is the honey that
This is
we
what
used.
we used, okay,
Yeah. Now this is maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
Yes. This is almost unrefined good, jaggery, but which is even which is not even refined the way we use it in our house.
It's like really black.
Yes, but it tastes great.
And what do you ask for when you go for this?
So I either ask for rock sugar.
Rock sugar. Okay.
Yes. This, of course, is the brown sugar, not the brown sugar that we usually hear about in the papers, but the Demerara sugar.
Not brown sugar. Demerara sugar. Okay.
And this is, in our Indian languages, it's either called Tal Misri or it's called Gundar, depending on the different regions. This is obtained from palm. So this is, these are the 5 kind of common sweeteners that are
That we
available
can
in
use
the
it. These are
market.
all traditionally Indian, besides the maple syrup probably.
Yes,
You know, it's been part of our cooking and culture
right.
for the longest time.
That's right.
So yes, check it out. Okay, this being done, you said we're going to make some barfi?
Yes, we're going to make an Indian sweet barfi, date and fig barfi. It is a very good sweet option for people who are trying to eat healthy or who are watching their calories.
Okay, like me, I should be eating this more.
Yes, but not for diabetics.
Oh, not for diabetics?
No. Unfortunately, in the market, these products are being sold as, you know, diabetic sweets or sugar-free sweets. It's a very clever way of misleading people because, of course, there is no added sugar.
So you're not putting sugar in it?
No.
Okay.
But the natural sugar of the dry fruits is high enough for the sugar levels to just zoom up. So not a very good idea for diabetics at all.
Okay.
So here I've got these figs which have been chopped.
Okay.
And the dates which have been chopped as well. I put them in the mixie and this is what I get.
Okay. So it doesn't become a paste, it becomes just nice and granular.
Yes, that's right. And to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chopped pistachios.
Okay.
Okay. And these are the almonds, flaked almonds.
Flaked.
Okay. So we just mix this up and then we're going to spread it out in a kind of plate.
Okay.
Okay. And this is what we get.
So you press it down
just,
and...
yes, yes. And here I've got a couple of pieces for
These
you
are
to taste.
my tasting pieces.
Yes,
Can I
yes.
taste it? It's amazing. I've never eaten something that you put absolutely no sugar in it.
No, no.
But because of the dates and fig, it is nice and enjoyable.
Yes, yes, yes. This, the dry fruits are of course packed with nutrients. I mean, there are lots of vitamins, lots of minerals there, and this little bit of almonds and pistachio adds some useful fat to it. So it's a very healthy sweet to have.
Nidhi, thank you very much.
Not my
It was
pleasure.
a pleasure. Hopefully I will live healthier with your little inputs. Yeah?
Absolutely.
And I hope everybody there has also enjoyed this part and are going to eat healthier. Okay? We'll eat lots more.
Kunal, 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 you are not supposed to do this.
I'm so sorry.